In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email open rates in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your open rate metrics and how to read them with confidence so you can make smarter decisions about your email performance. First, let's set the stage. Open rate is the percentage of delivered emails that were opened at least once. It gives you a quick read on whether your subject lines, sender name, and timing are compelling enough to earn attention. Keep in mind, open tracking relies on a tiny image load, and some privacy features can auto-load images which may inflate opens. That's normal across the industry. So treat open rates as directional and pair them with clicks and replies for a fuller picture. To get there, start inside HubSpot and head to the user guide area. This is a helpful jumping off point that organizes your marketing tools in one place and makes it simple to find the features we need today. Once you're in the guide, look for the email section. Selecting email takes you to the hub where your marketing emails are created, sent, and reported on. You'll see your sent emails listed in a table along with key performance columns. On this screen, locate the open rate column and select it to view details. Here, you'll see the open rate for all the emails you've sent from HubSpot, along with supporting metrics like total sends, deliveries, and often unique opens versus total opens. The open rate is typically calculated as unique opens divided by delivered emails, so bounces don't skew your results. If you hover or expand, you can usually spot trends over time, which is helpful when you're testing subject lines or experimenting with send times. As you review the numbers, look for patterns. Are welcome sequences outperforming newsletters? Do shorter subject lines earn more attention? Are certain audience segments consistently higher or lower? Consider the context of each send, like seasonality, list size, and how recently the audience engaged. If your open rate looks unexpectedly high, remember privacy features can boost it. Use click-through rate and conversions to validate interest. A few quick tips for interpreting what you see. Compare campaigns with similar audiences and goals. Focus on changes over time rather than one-off spikes. And note the impact of deliverability. Strong opens often follow healthy sender reputation, clean lists, and clear consent. That's it. Navigate to the user guide, choose email, and review the open rate column to understand how your emails are performing at a glance. Check this regularly, learn from what resonates, and keep iterating on your subject lines, preview text, and sender details to lift engagement over time.